right, YouTube, this is my next project. This is a Yamaha scooter that, as you can see, bring that camera in a little bit, is pretty worn. Now, we're gonna be taking this and transforming it. Essentially, I already put a new battery in here. We have a new gas cap, but everything else on this scooter has just been sitting and rusting and not moving for a few years. So I'm gonna take every part of this apart and we're gonna transform it, and you'll be along for the entire ride. So stay tuned. I'll get all of that going for you guys.